Don't wait until you're in production before you start marketing your designs. With the high-quality renders available from Fusion 360, you can start marketing before a first prototype is even made. To capture the design details, just drag and drop realistic appearances from the extensive and searchable online database. Find one you like but isn't local? No problem. Download it with a single click. Camera settings reflect what you'd expect from a DSLR. Anything from focal length, exposure, and depth of field can be altered. Environments, backgrounds, brightnesses, and position can be fine-tuned. Lights can be added, and emissive materials too. Everything needed for a proper photo shoot, without the hefty price tag. Render in Canvas to get real-time ray tracing, helpful for fine-tuning those appearances, settings, and other details. Then, let that continue until it reaches a quality of your liking, or schedule a renderings, or full-on animation on the cloud to unload that burden from your local system. All this and more in Fusion 360.